Welcome to the Soundtrap studio. Today we're going to explore the vocal tuner. Now you can select either music or podcast and it'll work for both. I'm going to select music because I'm going to do a bit of singing. So now that we're in the studio, I like to start off with having some audio already in there, like a guitar or a piano track. So there's my audio that I'm going to use to sing over. And now I'm going to add my vocal track. I'm going to select Add New Track, Voice and Mic, and now I can hit record. And you'll see our new vocal panel, vocal cleanup and vocal tuner. There's standard and there's real time. I'm going to start with standard to show you the vast difference you can create. And then real time is a little bit more nuanced, and I'll show you how that works. So I'm just going to record a little bit of audio. The Soundtrap studio has new cool things like the vocal tuner. All right, there you go. I am not a singer. Please keep that in mind. But that's why we have the vocal tuner, to make our vocals a little bit nicer. The Soundtrap studio. There we go. That's my vocals. I don't want to listen to it too long, but let's tune that up. So I'm going to use the standard tuner. And it shows a pop-up. It has our project key. I can change the key if I wanted to. So here is like the light subtle. The Soundtrap studio has new cool things like the vocal tuner. Right, so you can hear a little bit of it, especially when I go higher up in my register. It's kind of like robotic-esque. Let's try extreme. This is like T-Pain style music. Let's hear this. The Soundtrap studio has new cool things like the vocal tuner. Honestly, love that very robotic feature. So that's kind of what you can do with our standard vocal tuner. Now, if I wanted it to be a little bit more serious, more professional, I would go into our real-time tuner. I'm going to toggle it on. It's in the project key, but the amount will show you how much you want. So you can do very little. The Soundtrap studio. Or you can do a lot more. The Soundtrap studio. So you hear it a little bit, kind of just a little bit of crunchy robot noise, trying to fit into that space. But this one's a little bit more nuanced. It's closer to what professionals use. It's a little bit more subtle. So that's the vocal tuner. There's so many cool things that you can do with it. I obviously prefer my robotic sound, but definitely try it out on your vocals and your next project.